the stock market took an absolute dump in the last 24 hours, 48 hours. I'm thinking, is it going to roll over into the crypto space and we're going to see all crypto collapse? Because, you know, for the most part, it's been following the stock market. I want to show you what I see in the charts. If it sounds interesting, drop the like and subscribe. Just keep your little update to where we are right now. So I showed you this one a few days ago. This is the Keltner channel. Keltner channel for the Bitcoin on the 2-week time frame. Every candle is 2 weeks worth of price action. It's crazy because if you look at the stock market, they took massive drops. Got it here on the right hand side, some of these stocks I've been looking at, right? But it's just crazy to think that the market could take a huge dump like that and actually Bitcoin hold up really well. We are still above this orange line. Just to refresh you, and if you're new, welcome in. On this particular chart, the Keltner channel, we're looking for if Bitcoin drops below this middle orange line through these two blue, it's like a little zone, right? Two blue lines and an orange line. Almost looks like a Bollinger Band, almost. It's not, it's different. But yeah, if it falls below this, we're looking for 2 candles to print. Because that 2 candles gives us a warning sign that the market's going to turn over and then we're going to see a disgusting downwards trend, which is what we've always seen on just 2 candles. So, once we see this, we always had this window of opportunity to come back up. There's always a rise up. And like I said to you before, look, 2 candles underneath, and then we get a sort of like a second chance up before it comes collapsing down. We still haven't had that yet. We've got no candles underneath. I'd like to think over the next 2 weeks, sort of month, April's going to tell. This will be the tester, guys, this month. We'll either come collapsing down or we're going to surge up. I don't think it can stay trending sideways for too long. I think April will be the decider. But right now it's looking good. We're above this orange line. It's nice. Sitting on 83,000. I don't know how. It's mad. So let's have a look at what's been going on this shorter time frame. It's the weekly time frame. I like to look at the longer time frames. I'm a long-term investor. We've been battling this 21-week moving average. It's 21 is what they usually use as a moving average. Haven't been able to get above it. But we're still holding support over this 50-week right here, which is good. So as long as we don't break this 50-week, we're all good. At some point, I'd like to see Bitcoin's price come above. Maybe see a price up here of at least $89,000, maybe $90,000, then that will sort of signal that the market's good and we're on our way up, right? Let's have a look at this. This is the Gaussian channel. We have not entered it yet, but remember, every week, these lines are coming up. It's going to keep coming up. So at some point, this will test this top part of the Gaussian channel, or it might continue to surge up. If we break through it, I'll obviously give you an update, because if we just see 1 or 2 candles, just like here inside this, we're done. That's it. Kiss the market goodbye. Because, and based on coming on a downtrend as well, when you're coming downwards in price. Because when you come downwards in price and you've entered this, that's it. It's horrible, man. It's going to get ugly all through that. When you're going through it, look again. Right? Only when you're coming down into it. If we see 1 or 2 candles, that's just sign that the market's done. Right now, we're not in it. You can see here. Hopefully, we can rise above it. I'm keeping an eye on it. What have I got over here? Total 3 is all of the crypto, excluding Bitcoin, excluding Ethereum, all your favorite altcoins. Right? The money that's inside. I thought we was forming like a sort of like a bull flag. Let me just bring this down. You can have a look here. We're still in this zone. We've come back to this zone where we was before, which was the prior swing high, right? We saw that was back in March when I was taking my profits and stuff, and it surged again. Or the prior swing high. We're still in this zone. We've just came back and we're floating in it. But it does look like some form of a bull flag. Time will tell if it plays out, which is you've got the price action here, which was this surge up, and then you make 2 lines across to form like a flag formation, and you can see price action bounce in between the lines. You can see the wicks down here, right? So we will see what happens. I don't know if people would want to consider that as a full bull flag or not, but we'll see. Some people do it wick to wick, some people don't. They do body candles to body candles. I mean, if you want to do body candles, let's see if I can get this and push the body candles in. Would it look more better if I did it like that? It's still some form of a bullish flag, but we'll see, right? If it plays out, I do expect the market to eventually bounce up and then come up to sort of like this blue bar where I was here. It just about kisses it, right? This blue zone, which this would have been my strong first initial take profit. It puts the market really high, 1.6 trillion, well, just altcoins, which you could see big multipliers, 20, 30, 40, 50x when this does this. right? So I'll keep an update on that for you as well, so you can see what goes on. But as it stands, that's how we're looking. I'm hoping this bull flag plays out. I'll take it from there when it happens. What have I got here? This is sort of like my diary. I've been writing like a, can I refresh this because I thought I wrote something else? I've just been keeping tabs on what's going on right now, how people are feeling about the market. I added this. The stock market collapsed like crazy. This was yesterday. Well, it says today on the 4th of April. I put the date so I can remember. It was a disgusting drop in the market. That was because of the tariffs, right? Everyone was expecting Bitcoin and altcoins to do the same thing, but it didn't yet. So the question is, will the altcoins and Bitcoin follow it, or will it for the first time divert away from it and just do its own thing, maybe become a stronger store of value? I don't know, we will see. See, my verdict would be there's been an initial massive sell-off in the big stocks, which all of that money that they take in profits, maybe they want to take some risk and put it in some lower stocks or some lower cryptos or cryptocurrencies that could give us this final huge wave. But we will see what happens as time goes on. Yeah? Guys, that's all I've got for you in this video. It's not going to be a massive long one. Just want to show you what I'm looking at. Those are the charts that I'm looking at that are guiding me on my journey. If it was helpful, drop the like, give me a subscribe, stick around, and I'll just keep updating you guys with this, yeah? So thanks for watching. If you want to become a patron, the link is in the info section. It's a fresh month. Click it, come over, check me out. Powerful little network we have over there. It's like a ripple effect. More people join, people that are smart investors. I'm not going to go through it all, but yeah, you can come over and check it out. The link's in the info section. What is this? Here we go. My mumbling, I know. 7 tiers, take your pick. I recommend this one. Exclusive VIP partner tier, yeah? Come check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.